Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to limit product quantity to one in WooCommerce on a WordPress website. This setting helps when we want customers to buy only one item per order. Limiting the quantity to one helps control product sales and stops customers from buying more than one of the same item. This is helpful for limited edition products, digital items, tickets, or special offers where just one purchase per customer is allowed. Now, let's go through the process together to set the order limit to one in WooCommerce. First, we open the browser. Once the browser is open, we go to bookcommerce.com and log into the account. After logging in, we go to My Stores under My Account and click that option. Now, we are directed to our stores. We click the store or set and wait for the page to load. Once everything loads, the first thing we do is add a plugin. Plugins are needed for this process. Please note, only premium users can add plugins. If we are not premium users, we can only download, not install plugins. Let's continue to browse plugins. When the plugins page loads, we type min and max. Here, we see the min and max quantity for WooCommerce. If we are premium users, we will see the install option. Click Install. When installation is finished, it will appear here to activate. Click Activate, and the plugin will be active on the WordPress site. After that, we go back to the dashboard. Here, we go to WooCommerce and then to Settings. Once in Settings, we navigate to Products. After selecting Products, we click Inventory. Now, we see the Manage Stock option. Enable this setting. We can also change options like holding stock in minutes, notifications if stock is low, low stock thresholds, out of stock visibility, and stock display format. Adjust these settings as needed for the store. When finished, click Save Changes. This is how we limit product quantity to one in WooCommerce. After these settings, customers can add only one unit of that product to their cart.